a dream comes true.
And so invite you to join us in the 4th ELT Professional Development Workshop on the 18th of April this year, conducted by the Ibra College of Technology in Oman.
The theme is Strategies for Encouraging, Engaging and Educating Students, SEES, which means creating a very positive teaching-learning atmospheres.
There are 16 sub-themes that include a large number of proposals. We have 35 individual and co-presenters out of 70 proposals received, which include teaching tips, posters, papers and workshops.
We have presenters from Oman, but also Romania, Algeria, KSA, India and Nepal. And we have something like 200 participants from Oman, Jordan, Bahrain, Pakistan, Iran, Nigeria, India and Nepal.
Our heart goes with the successes of this event.
Our situation will get better, and your feedback will help us improve.